A well-structured budget is a powerful tool for accelerating debt repayment. By carefully tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds toward debt reduction. Here are some effective strategies to use your budget to pay off debt faster. First, create a detailed budget. Track your income by listing all your sources of income, including your salary, wages, and any side hustles. Then, categorize your expenses. Divide them into fixed costs like rent and utilities and variable costs like groceries and entertainment. Monitor your spending by using a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your daily expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back. Next, identify areas for savings. Review your subscriptions and cancel any unnecessary ones to streaming services, magazines, or memberships. Reduce dining out by cooking more meals at home and limiting how often you eat out. Shop smartly by comparing prices, using coupons, and avoiding impulse purchases. Finally, consider your transportation costs. Carpooling, using public transportation, or biking can help reduce fuel and maintenance costs. Prioritize debt repayment. The debt avalanche method involves paying off debts with the highest interest rates first to save on interest charges. Alternatively, the debt snowball method focuses on starting with the smallest debt and paying it off quickly to gain momentum and boost your motivation. Also, consider consolidating multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. Increase your income. Consider a side hustle by exploring opportunities to earn extra income, such as freelancing, tutoring, or selling items online. If you feel your current salary is inadequate, think about negotiating a raise with your employer. Additionally, seek additional income by exploring part-time jobs or overtime opportunities to supplement your earnings. Stay committed and consistent. Regularly review your budget to ensure it's still effective and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate milestones by rewarding yourself for reaching debt repayment goals to stay motivated. Seek support by joining a support group or finding an accountability partner to help you stay on track. By following these strategies and using your budget wisely, you can significantly accelerate your debt repayment journey and achieve financial freedom sooner. Remember, consistency and perseverance are key to success.